Hello guys, today uh, we're gonna check what is the problem of this water heater. It's over there, hydrojet hydrojet over there. Oh yeah, right now it's not working. See, right there's the gas bulb, igniter switch over there, and no light to the pilot. This electric pilot. So right now we're gonna set to pilot here. I don't have a what. Yeah. Okay, you have to. Okay, can you ignite this one? Press. Okay, have to push down the pilot. Okay, more. Then the guy is gonna press the igniting light. Okay. Okay, wait a few minutes. We're gonna check this one. If there is a light coming out over there. I don't see. Okay, do it again. Can you do it again? Yeah. No.
No, just pump.
Okay, I see. There's no light.
No,
Can you hold this one? Okay. So I'm gonna do it again. Yeah. You see? I don't see the light.
No, pump here. I pump yes, we have to pump here. Pump there.
Okay, yeah. Yes, I know. Oh, hey, there you go. Right, look over there. Has a light right now?
Yeah, so right.
I have to.
Get right over here.
Yeah, wait a few minutes to warm up the pilot. Okay, you make it closer. Okay, it's still on?
It's still on.
Still on? Okay,
This is on, see?
okay. Okay, stay back. I have to turn on the gas bulb to on position over there. Okay, stay back. Oh, it's coming on now. It's over there. See? Do you see that? Did you see, guys? See, there's a ignition over there. The flame. You see over there? Okay. Sometimes you have to do it for many times. Make sure the pilot is working, and the electrical igniter switch is over there. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe Dante Balagtas with the Deer logo. Thank you. Okay, bye bye. God bless you guys. Bye.